What if a complex structural model could be generated, loaded, analyzed, and interrogated automatically from a single Python script? In this demonstration, we'll use the RAM Elements Python API to automate the complete structural engineering workflow. This model contains a large span space frame roof, branching tree columns, and thousands of structural elements. Creating a structure of this complexity manually would require significant engineering effort. With Python, the entire model can be generated automatically. Let's begin with an empty RAM Elements model. At this point, there are no nodes, no members, and no structural geometry. Everything will be created automatically by the script. The structure is controlled through a small set of parameters that define dimensions, materials, and structural layout. The Python API provides direct access to the RAM Elements analytical model. As the script executes, RAM Elements automatically creates the roof geometry, generates the space frame system, and constructs the tree column support structure. Thousands of nodes and members are created in just a few seconds. The script automatically generates the space frame members, connecting the upper and lower roof surfaces. This creates a highly efficient long-span structural system. The support system is created automatically using branching tree columns that transfer roof loads to the foundation. The same script automatically creates dead load, live load, and wind load cases. Gravity loads are assigned automatically to the roof structure using distributed member loads. This process can be standardized and repeated consistently across multiple design alternatives. Wind loading is applied directly through the API using nodal forces. This allows engineers to automate loading workflows and quickly evaluate multiple scenarios. Once the model and loading have been created, the script automatically launches analysis and design. The entire workflow is executed from a single Python file. After analysis is complete, results can be accessed directly through the API. Engineers can automate custom reporting and project-specific post-processing workflows. The script automatically extracts key engineering information including model size, roof deflections, and support reactions. The RAM Elements Python API enables engineers to generate models, apply loads, run analysis, and extract results using the full power of Python. Instead of manually rebuilding similar structures, engineers can generate entire families of structural models from a reusable script. This opens new possibilities for parametric design, optimization studies, custom reporting, and engineering automation. We look forward to seeing the innovative workflows and structural solutions our users create. Thank you for watching.